How to add bank account in Binance. If you want to add bank account in Binance, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is first of all make sure to launch the Binance application, as you would be able to see right there. And once you have done that, you basically want to tap on the profile or the Binance icon from the top left of the screen. Once you've done that, what you want to do is tap on the gear icon or the settings icon from the top right hand side again. And this time you want to scroll down a bit further until you see this option called payment methods. So just go to payment methods right here, and here you can see this option called P2P Payment Methods. So you can go to P2P Payment Methods. At the bottom you can see an option that says add a payment method, so you can tap on add a payment method button. Then over here all you have to do is select the bank account that you would like to add. You can also search them using the search bar. And once you've done that, you have to enter your full name of your bank account as per your verified account, then your phone number, your account number of your bank account, then your payment details. Then you can tap on the confirm button to add your bank in Binance. This way you'll be able to add bank in Binance. I hope that this video was really helpful. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.